Down syndrome is a disorder that is associated with intellectual disability.
It happens quite by chance, especially in women over the age of 35 years. There's an increased incidence in females over the age of 35 years. And that's because their eggs can misbehave at that stage. So at the time of division, some extra chromosome material goes over into the cells that will eventually make the baby cells. That's the most common reason for it.
The Jamaica Down Syndrome Foundation records at least 50 cases of the disorder yearly. Persons with Down syndrome often have distinct features such as a flattened face, a short neck, small ears, a tongue sticking out of the mouth, and small hands and feet.
So their motor skills are delayed. They may for start have trouble feeding because the mouth is small, the tongue is large, so they have difficulty swallowing, feeding, drinking initially, and then of course speech as well. Over 50% of children with Down syndrome will have a heart defect that may most likely need correction. So once all of these things are done in a timely manner, I think that will improve the outcome.
There is no treatment for Down syndrome, but therapy can improve the quality of life for persons with the disorder. However, an early stimulation program is needed to facilitate these persons.
It is a challenge to take your child to different places. It's also expensive because a number of the children actually come from outside of Kingston and the corporate area. So just traveling in to multi-sites for different interventions. I think ideally we would like to have a Down syndrome awareness center or a Down syndrome center where we could offer the interventions in a more convenient and hopefully less expense to the families.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.